friends, welcome to Abhyanu Tutorials. So I'm writing a test here, 10 questions. It's a quiz for module 2. The escape character owes its name to the fact that it changes the meaning of the character next to it, right? Okay. The meaning of the positional parameter is by its position. So we have to select the position. Okay. The next one, the most important difference between integer and floating points is they are stored differently in the computer memory. Okay, so that is the first option. Select the first option, selected. So next, the OX prefix means that it's a number system, it's a hexadecimal. Next, the double slash operator is a performs integer division. Okay guys, it's not the regular division, it's an integer division. And 123 plus 0.0, it will convert to the float. Integer plus float converts to the float. So 123.0. The only one of the following statement is true. What is that? The multiplication precedes addition is the correct one. Okay, multiplication is having the more priority than addition. So third option is third. Okay, so the next one is the one exponential to exponential 3 is a right to left. Always remember that exponential is the right to left, right sided banding. So that means right to left. Okay, yeah. And a keyword is a word that is the most important one in the whole program. It cannot be used as a function name, cannot be used as a variable name. So it cannot be used as a function name and it cannot be used as a variable name. So we have to select the two answers. So it cannot be used as a function and cannot be used as a variable name. Okay. The, the value returned by input is a string. Okay guys. So these are the 10 questions I am submitting and let's submit again. Okay, let's see the marks. Okay, guys. So I scored 10 out of 10. So it's 100% pass. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video.